cold and slippery tonight, and I'm gonna go pick up parts for my Jade, but then I'm gonna be driving the Del Sol. Hey. Yeah, it is so cold. Oh my god. Ooh, that old school gauge door. I freaking love this, man. Damn, haven't been in the city for a long time, dude. Woodinville? Wow. Oh, a long time. Be back. Nice skyline too. Got an Evo in the back too. Nice. I usually don't do car meets anymore, except for the Namsang Me and Cruise and RSX Me and Cruise, but I just came here to pick up my parts from Dino. Now I just gotta find his ass, pretty much, and then leave. Because I don't do these type of car meets. I'm just saying, I don't at all. But there are a few RSXs out here that I want to check out tonight. There's this black one, which I never seen this one before. This thing is actually really clean. Nice. Beautiful. Got the red wide body and also the... Oh, that RSX looks familiar, huh? The wide body RSX? I don't know whose RSX this is, but this is the first time I ever seen. Nice. This clean 240S for me. Man, this guy looks familiar to me. What up, man? Damn, Stenty Boy RSX. Holy shit. Dude, this thing's hella slammed. God damn. Hey, this guy looks familiar too. Holy shit, dude. What's up? We got my boy Carlos is sick. Oh, EJ1. Damn. Got a couple Spoon S2000 over here. Woo, Spoon jacket. Dude, that's a nice Spoon jacket. This S2K though. Holy shit. Spoon hardtop, dude. Dude, these things are not cheap. Spoon rear bumper. Dude, I think this guy has a full Spoon kit. That's not cheap, dude. That's mucho dinero right there. Yeah, that's a clean Jeep. Wow. Holy shit, I used to have these wheels. WCI MT10s. These are really clean though. Nice. The OG knows what car I had those on. People won't realize this thing got an HKS cooler. Nice. Damn. That's what people will not realize. They just look at cars and like, oh, those are cool Norda Gray. That's about it, but bunch of kids, man, I swear. You have to say one thing. Is that a Supra? Oh my god. God damn, it's a right-handed drive too. Is that a Supra? Dude, this thing is clean. Yeah. Bulky. This thing is nice. Oh man. Mucho dinero right here too. Ooh, I like the little sparkles on this paint. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's dope. Nice. Man, Jack Ultra's R8. Fucking baller. Yeah, maybe one day, who knows? Baller status. Oh, I remember these R32 Skyline GTRs. They're beautiful. The black one and then the silver one. Both of them are really clean. I see Dino. I see Dino. I see Dino. I see Dino. You got my overnight parts from Japan, sir? Oh my god. I scared you, didn't I? You're like, who's this guy filming us? I'm sorry, dude. Woo-wee. Clean RSX, baby. God damn, son. Woo-wee. Oh my god, so nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a little bit wide body. You guys can't tell, but oh, it's so clean, man. Ah, okay. Dude, I thought about doing the cut rear bumper thing. I thought about doing that. What rear diffuser is that?
Top one.
Top one? Oh, nice, man. Nice. That's hella clean, dude. Oh, ooh, the thing is clean. Oh, you got screw too? Nice. Yep. Nice. That is so nice. Oh, daddy. Oh. Look at that, guys. Yeah, it goes together with the wing. Look at that. I might need to get the Voltex wing. Ah, soda nice. Alright, just got home, guys. Ooh, my Jade, soda nice. Ah, look at them TEs. TE checks. Oh yeah, look at that. Damn. I don't know if I have shown you guys yet, but this is the carbon fiber heat shield. Well, it's not. I guess a heat shield in a way. So yeah, here it is. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, it's gonna look so good. Let's put this on real quick. Yeah, just like that. So it's gonna look like kind of like that. Oh, that's gonna look so nice. Oh! Alright guys, so if you're interested in buying the carbon fiber exhaust shield for the RSX is. I'll leave his Instagram account in a link in the description below. So hit him up, DM him. I think the price was 110 or 100. I forgot which one it was because Dino, he gave me a really good deal. So that's why I bought it. So it was only like 80 bucks. He asked me for it. So I'm like, sweet, I'm gonna take it. It looks good anyways. And it does look good with the test fit as you guys saw there. So I'm excited. But another thing that I wanted to tell you guys, that if you do have the fiberglass A-spec front and rear lip, those are fiberglass. So the fiberglass, I heard that you have to drill it through, but if you do have the OG A-spec front and rear lip, those you can just screw it in with a screw. So yeah, another funny thing that I found out, that the drill, as you guys saw in my last video, I was installing the pedals on it. That drill bit actually fits through the carbon fiber shield hole that's already drilled through. So that's, I'm lucky, man. So as some of you guys remember, on one of my last video I posted installing the Strut King pedals on the RSX, and this drill bit, that's what it came with to drill the hole through for the pedals. So, and then this drill bit fits right through the new carbon fiber piece, exhaust shield piece on it. So it is perfect fit. I don't know what exactly the size it is, but I mean, whatever drill bit size that fits through, like this slides in like that, use it, I will say. So yeah. Alright, as you guys can see, my beautiful spoon N1 exhaust there too. There. Alright, I gotta mark it down. Alright, that looks really good. Nice. There you go. Nice. Alright, that's that. Dunzo. Oh my god, dude, that looks so the freaking good. Ooh wee, baby. Yo. Oh my god, guys, with the spoon N1 exhaust. Oh my god, that carbon fiber exhaust shield looks really good. Oh my god, I'm nutting it so hard. Oh wow, wow, this really changed a little bit of the looks of my car. Oh my god, dude. But dude, that really does spice up the whole car. Wow. Dude, I'm so happy. One of the first carbon fiber pieces that went on my Jade. Oh dude, no way. And that'll do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, me installing the carbon fiber exhaust shield on my RSX Type S, guys. My baby Jade, man, it's looking so much better now. I am so happy, guys. But yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There's definitely more content coming for my Jade. I literally just bought like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 spoon parts on it. 4 spoon parts, 4 spoon parts I just bought, I think, or maybe 5, or is it 3? But I just bought like crap ton of spoon parts on it. Yeah, it's 4. All right, so stay tuned on that, guys. But I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. On my last video, on one of my last videos, I told you guys what it was. But if you're curious, go watch the last. It wasn't I'm saying me and Cruz video. Go watch that. So if you guys really do want to know. So yeah, but other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because there's definitely more content coming for both, actually 3, my Jade and then my Del Sol, and then also the Honda Aero 50 that you guys been asking for. That's coming back right now soon, probably hopefully next week or the week after, because I've been working on it. I just haven't edited the video yet. So yeah, but other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.